This is Harriet Bouslog, Local 142's General Counsel from 1946 to 1978. She was involved in mounting the legal defense of working men and women, as well as those who would have no advocacy in social and workplace justice. As a result of her work with the men and women of Local 142, Harriet and her husband Stephen T. Sawyer established the Harriet Bouslog Labor Scholarship Fund to benefit the children and grandchildren of ILWU Local 142 members and retirees. Today, the Harriet Bouslog Labor Scholarship Fund provides financial assistance for education at any school in the University of Hawaii system. The scholarship can now be found on UH's Foundation System Common Application. From there, select Start or Continue Application. And be sure to take note of the application deadline, which is March 2nd, 2026 at 4 p.m. Continue to read through the application information. Once finished, select Next Page. From here, you will begin the actual application process. Read carefully and enter all necessary information correctly. Here, you will be required to fill out information on college and academic plans. Then, enter your high school and transcript information. Upload the files in an accessible format. A PDF format may be most reliable. Please be sure to read the personal backgrounds and affiliations and memberships portions carefully. Be sure to look out for a question in regards to the ILWU 142 at the bottom of the page. Here, select Yes and enter the member name and their relationship to you, the student. Answering this question properly will determine your eligibility for the Harriet Bouslog Labor Scholarship, so don't miss it. Here you will be required to answer short essay responses. Please note that some are optional, but may help increase your chances of being awarded. After that, there will be more optional essays. These essays pertain to specific scholarships. If you wish to be considered for a certain scholarship, follow the essay instructions. Next, you are required to submit at least one letter of recommendation. More are encouraged. Be sure to send out recommendation requests in advance to give your recommender time to fill out and submit prior to the deadline. Finally, review your application and check for any mistakes before submission. After doing so, you will need to consent to your information being disclosed for application review. Select Yes, I agree, then review and submit. And just like that, you've completed your common application. Mahalo for joining us in this tutorial.